Together Justice for Sharon.
Guys.
That's 2018. And that's the time anti-suicide movement started in this country.
Hello guys. This is how I started my video today. I'm in motion here with my brand new camera. So I'm in town. Let me take this one off so that you can be able to see me. I'll do this so that you can be able to see me. Yeah. So I'm in town today, and actually I found these guys here. Like there are a number of people in the streets protesting against femicide. So currently here in the country, there's been a very high number or high-rise cases of femicide going on. So I want to see, let me turn the camera and show you. People on the street here, yeah, they are protesting against femicide. A lot of ladies have been killed in these streets. There's an event going on, a function going on here.
Wakuchukua recommendation zote zetu za tulipatiana, walichukua kiasi wakaacha zingine. Sasa tunaelekea election, haijalishi which mrengo na support wanawake wafai kuuliwa, haijalishi which wanawake wafai kuuliwa. We are not safe in our own country. Women and basic girl children. Tunaelekea election. We are not safe.
So guys, that is it.
Tunaelekea election.
I just want to get away from this place because it's a little bit noisy.
We are not safe.
And yes, let me show you the streets of Nairobi. So let me show you the streets, how they look like. The roads have been crossed here because of that event that is going on right there. Look how guys are stranded on traffic. If you found yourself on this lane, you are in problems or you're in trouble because those guys don't look like they are going to end that event just right now. So I'm just testing the new camera on these streets for the first time. I'm recording using my Osmo DJI Pocket 3. It was a great deal I got at the shops. I just decided to, do walk-ins in the shops that sell cameras, and I got this at a very good deal. A very good deal. So this is how the streets are looking like. More and more people are going to join the gathering down there. Yeah. You see that? More and more people are walking to go and join the other fellas who are, advocating for the end of femicide cases in the country. It's been tough. It's been a very difficult time here for, the people who, mostly the ladies, yeah. Let me show you what's going on here. Vehicles are crossing anywhere because of the disruptions that the protest has caused. So there's no order in this city currently at this moment because people are using different routes, You see what's going on. This is because of the disruptions that is going on. So let me cross to the other side. Check that out. The matatus. These are the buses that we use here for public transportation. Alright, so for the first time, let me just walk on these streets with this camera, test it, and also you guys, you can tell me the quality of the camera after I've uploaded it. I'm just testing, doing some tests here and there. Look at the streets, they look clean and good, Check that one out. Beautiful. Beautiful. at this guy. Guys, I'm struggling here. I'm trying to turn the camera to my face, so that's why I was struggling kind of, but I finally managed. Yeah, so I'm still learning on how to use this camera, and actually from what I'm seeing, this quality is really what I needed, yeah, for my videos. So I'll be bringing you content back to back like it's no one's business currently, and I'm so excited actually to have and hold this camera on my hands here. So I guess because the camera was not charged when I bought it, what I'll do is I'll go home, charge the camera, and then I'll be doing content thereafter, or after I've charged the camera. So thank you guys. I want to say thank you in a big way for the people who have supported me to acquire this wonderful camera here. I really lack words to to thank you. I appreciate you in a very big way. I don't know even what to say. I don't know what to say. I'm so excited to have this camera. It's a prayer and a dream come true at the same time, because it's something that I've been praying for, something that I've been being intentional to acquire, but again, due to other factors like financial constraints, I've not achieved it in a long time. But finally, I have it here, holding it in my hands, courtesy of a few of you guys who decided to chip in and contribute in a very big way to get this camera. So thank you so much guys for the love, the support you're giving me. I don't take it for granted, for sure, because I know there's thousands of people like me, they're out there who also require this support, but they haven't been so lucky enough to get it. So, and I pray for them also, so that one of these fine days, or one day, somebody just called me and I got distracted. So I'm praying for them, so that one of these fine days they can get to experience what I'm experiencing right now. Yeah, I thank God in a very big way, and I thank you guys. I thank Ma'am Zen, who has come through in a very big way, a huge way, to send the money that was required, because I had if you have watched my previous videos, you can tell I had a very little amount, or half the money required for the camera, and Ma'am Zen pulled up in a very big way. The excitement is causing a lot of but it's all good. So she pulled up in a very big way, and I managed to get this camera finally. And actually, I've gotten a camera that is beyond what I'd expected, because I'd expected to buy like a GoPro, but now I have a DJI Osmo Pocket 3, guys, and it's going for a very nice price. Actually, for the content creators out there who will be watching me, I can connect you now to the shop, because now you know. Let me turn the camera and show you the streets, guys, before the battery runs off. Yeah, I'm walking along this street here. It's a very beautiful street. Look at that. A very beautiful street. Yeah. The city of Nairobi is looking beautiful and awesome today, despite a few challenges here and there. The tall buildings. Despite a few challenges here and there, this city is a really beautiful city. It's a nice looking beautiful city. Look at that. Look at that. Look at these streets. Yeah, this is great. So the camera is running off, guys. Let me say bye bye for now. We will talk, or we'll catch up in my next episode. Thank you so much for watching. I know the video will be so short, but again, it's all good because now we have the camera, and you'll be seeing more and more of these kind of content. Thank you guys. Bye bye. So guys, I'm back at home. This is baby Siobhan there. She's feeling excited and all that.
Hello.
Say hello, hello. Look at her new hairstyle. I don't know if you can be able to see this. There it is. A very beautiful hairstyle. That she did for only $2. It costs only $2 to do this. Of course, it's not something for like super nice, but it's something. It's better than when the hair is shaggy. Yeah, that's okay, mommy. All right, so guys, here I am back at home. I changed my cape because I didn't like the other cape so much. I feel like this one fits nicely than the other one. What are you doing? I'm super excited to receive this camera, guys, and I'm right here at our balcony, and let me just turn the camera and show you the view from this balcony to the other side, because actually it's for the first time I'm showing you this view using this new camera of ours here. This one is ours, it's not just mine, it's ours, because it's you guys who have made it possible to acquire this. Yeah, this is the view. There's this car wash right there that is we also use it to wash our carpets. They wash carpets and cars. Yeah, and there's a small road towards the other side. At the same time, there's this road here that goes to join a tarmac road on the other side, and then it takes you to the highway. So for the guys who are driving from our apartment here, this is the main gate, this one down here. So they access our apartment. The gate leads to the basement, so they park their cars on the basement, and when they want to access the highway, they use this road here, this one here, to go and access the highway. So that is it, guys. I'm actually trying to turn the camera to face me. It turns a bit slower, so I'll get used to it. Okay, so what I'm trying to do right now is I'm headed out to go and do some marketing of our business. I'm going to meet with my business partner at some town called Ruiru, where we are going to do some marketing and just to, let people know about our business and our brand.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna